guys, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with my full look of my magical release, which is happening on Friday at noon Eastern. So I'm going to go ahead and go through all the items. I will mention first that these items will be bundled, but they'll also be available a la carte. They'll be bundled just for easy ordering, so you don't have to add all the individual pieces, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 items in this release that kind of all go together. So I will have bundles available, but they won't be discounted because you can use a coupon on them. You can use a coupon when you order, just like whatever you're ordering. But you will be able to use a coupon on the bundles, so those bundles won't be discounted. And also note, if you use a PR coupon and you just order the bundle, the way that we're processing the orders, you won't get a PR freebie. But if you order like a bundle and then you order a sheet of stickers, you'll get the PR sampler. So I'll leave more information about that in the description of the bundle itself. So let's go ahead and go into the stickers first. Like I said, all of these items will be available a la carte, but like I said, we're just doing a bundle option also, just in case you're ordering all of them, so you don't have to add all 12 items to the cart. So this is the Magic reformat. So you do have the freebie, the one that says SPC new releases, and the little fangirl munchkin, which is super cute. And I am so excited about this. So this is almost the same as the old kit. We just switched out some of the papers, and we have adjusted our print color settings since then, so the colors are slightly different, nothing crazy, but you do have very similar full boxes there. And then this is the page with the extra full box, payday icons, the squared off boxes. Then you have this page, which is the newer format. So this is an ultimate exclusive. So you have your squared off boxes, work, weekend, all the deco over here, which is so dang cute. And then you have your functional, your half boxes, your headers, and your pattern washi and fancy labels, your fancy labels, your solid washi, and then your little things, your ombre heart checklist. And then last but not least, your bottom washi with the date covers, and then the extra full box there, which is just so dang cute. So that is the ultimate kit. So you can just purchase this by itself if you want to purchase that by itself. There is also the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. There's also an option if you want to add on the bows. Then there's also this time an option if you want to add on the fashion girls. I had Jessica, who drew all of this art, do fashion girl. I thought it'd be really cute to do like little space buns and heart glasses, because the theme is kind of like hearts, so really love that. And then there is also these. They're just so cute. I love them so much. They're little scribblers with little mouse ears, so you have 5 of each girl wearing a different t-shirt color, and then you do have the girls kind of like in a little like cluster, which is really cute for marking if you go with your friends to Disney or whatever. Then there is, where do I want to go to next? I guess we'll go through the rest of things and leave the tan kit for last. There are 2 vinyl decals. There are a very limited amount of these. They are the like white background ones, like our old style. So there is a pink one as well as a castle one, which I feel like will be very, very popular. It's very pretty. Jessica did an amazing job with the castle. We're also going to be doing a new shimmer washi card. The last one we did was gold, and this is a pink shimmer washi card. So it does have the like cut out sort of bow, so you can see through the bow area, and then it is a shimmery pink washi card. Then there are 2 pins available. So the first one is, well, they're both silver, and the first one is a very pretty shimmery blue, and then the second one is a magic pin. So it's just a pink heart with magic written in it, which matches the pin on the girl's jacket, which is super cute. So love those pins, really excited about those. I'm actually going to put probably both of them on my backpack when I go to Disney. Then we'll go into the washies. So the washies will come in this organza bag with a scribbler card. There's 3 different cards that you can get. They're all different princesses. So this one is Sienna as Tiana, which is just so cute. They are shorter to fit in these cellos. So it's just a one-sided journaling card. So you can, it's randomly picked. There's the same amount of all of them. So super cute. If you guys want, I might add the journaling cards to the shop as well, like at a later date. It's whatever we have left over, because they are really cute. And then there's, I think Celeste is, not sure who Celeste is. Actually, I'm not sure what the other ones are, but they are princesses. And then this is going to be the washi bundle, so there are 4 washies in here. I'm going to go ahead and just show you on this. I just watched all of the washies that are in this like setup. So this washi here with the pink, like the like brush strokes and the bow is in the TN kit, but the other ones, this like one with all the clip art, it has little silver like twinkles. They're the same like twinkle as the twinkle overlay. And then this one has the really pretty like pastel pink and baby blue and like this nudish color with the, why is it called stars? Hearts. And then this one has scripts, so it says Planner Girl, where dreams come true. And then I believe there is one more, pretty sure it's where dreams come true, magic, oh, hold on, let me like roll it out. I have one over here, it's already open. So Planner Girl, Where Dreams Come True, and Magical, and they're in a really pretty scripty font that we use for all of our like branding. And then there's little hearts in between, which I thought was really cute and very like, you can use this with a lot of other sets as well. And then this is a really pretty blue. I feel like I don't have any washies in this blue color. It's just so pretty and vibrant. So love that, and that has the bow on it. So super cute. So these 4, so not this one, but these 4 are in the washi bundle set, and those all come just in the organza bag with the washi card as the journaling card as a backer. Then there is the TN kit, which I don't know if it'll be up before this, but I am going to be doing a full TN kit setup. Here is a little sneaky, or if you already saw it, or if it's already up, setup of that. Super excited to show you guys that. I want to add a couple things to it. But this is the TN kit. Our TN kits are, well, this TN kit is $29.95. Like our last one has pretty much, I think it has one more item than the last one does, but pretty much similar things. So all of the extras come in this little organza bag. Let's go through these. So move this to the side. So you do get a little charm here, and it is a little heart charm to go along with the heart theme in silver. There is also a pen. It's a pink pen with pink gems with a silver barrel. So super cute. There is also one of our custom bow paper clips in white. You guys loved these with the Girl Boss, the black ones. There's also a sticky bow. So this has a little adhesive strip that you can pull off. We'll pull off the backing of the adhesive strip, and you can put that bow on there. Super cute pink bow. There is a bow clip. So it's one of the velvet ones, which are definitely the favorite by you guys, with the silver wide paper clip. There is a little sheet of the foiled tab stickers. I actually forgot the tabs at work, but there will be tabs. And then these will all come in this cello with the tabs, and this is the journaling card pack. There's also sticky notes, so these are so pretty. So you have the balloons in the background, and then you have the glitter bow, the glitter border, and then the castle. There is the 2 foil journaling cards, so you have the bow and then the Find Your Happily Ever After on the pink. I wanted to keep one, like you can use this in a lot of setups, and this one's a little bit more specific with the pattern, but I love the pink one too. Then you do have options for the double-sided journaling cards. I know this one was a favorite, so I wanted to make sure that I brought it back. But there is 4 cards. They are double-sided, so let's say you want to use both of these, or you want to use one in your B6 and one in your rings or something, you can totally do that, but you can also have a lot of variation here. So you do have 2 different fashion girls to choose from. Love them with the simple background, again, double-sided. And then you do have Dreams Come True and also the castle. So pretty. Jessica did, again, such a good job on the castle. So those are the journaling cards. You also do have the washi tape, and then that washi tape is this one right here. Super pretty with the bow. And then there is a die cut pack, which you could totally use these backers in your setup as well. And we have put a ton of die cuts in here. I did a lot of bows because I feel like bows really just work with this theme. You have a lot of balloons. You have the little like pink ice cream. You have the teacups, the backpack, another teacup, the little magic pin, the waffles, the magic band, and then you have a ton of bows. You have some solid ones and then some pattern ones, which I don't think we've done any pattern ones so far. But the pattern ones are really cool. They give a lot of texture to your setup, and I use them as tabs, which is really cool. So you have all of those die cuts to work with, and I feel like they're not too big but not too small. I have a lot of hard time working with a lot of small die cuts, but I love the sizing of those. Then we'll go ahead into the papers. And the tabs are double-sided. They're the same as the papers. So these come in their own separate cello, so you do have the bookmark. This was another favorite of the Hocus Pocus TN, so I wanted to do another one, and I just think it's so fun, so easy. Everyone's been doing kind of like stacking up stickers or die cuts, and I just made it super easy, and they're already done for you. Sorry if you can hear Bennett in the background. He's probably angry at something. He's going through his terrible ones. So these are the papers. I wanted to go a little bit lighter with the papers, so they are, half of them have like a little bit of a heavier pattern, and then the other side of those have the like lighter, whiter, brighter pattern. So you do get 2 of every paper. So this is the first one. So this one has like, they all have like a paint swatch kind of feel, with the silver and the pink and the blue, and then this one has some hearts and silver faux glitter, and this is my favorite pattern out of all of them. So pretty. These are on like the glossy vibrant paper, and then this one is a heart pattern. It's the same pattern as the acetate, but it just has a it's like a pink pattern laid over it with little bits of silver glitter, so you can kind of see that in real life, like when you're looking at it. It's a little hard on the camera. And then you do have the vertical swatches with the silver glitter throughout there as well. So you do get the 6 double-sided papers, and then all of your specialty papers do come in a separate little, lots of cellos here, separate little cello. So I asked you guys last time, and I think a lot of you guys agree that we're very much so acetate people. There's a lot of people who like vellum, but I think most people like acetate, and I don't know, I still feel like I need to put some vellum in, because like, look how pretty this turned out. That is the vellum. I'm sorry again if you can hear Bennett. He is not having it. He's probably ready for a nap. And then this one has the balloons, which are just so pretty. I love these. I love the texture of them. It's really nice. And then there are also some acetates, which are probably my favorite. So you do have the Castle acetate, which, how gorgeous is this? It looks so pretty in my setup. I'm so excited about it. And then you also have the silver foil hearts, which is just so pretty. Again, you could totally, if you didn't want to use this in this setup, you can use this one in another one easily for sure. So that's everything that comes in the TN kit, and everything we will be releasing this weekend. I know there is a lot, but I am so excited. I've been working on this release for a really long time. And I'm just so excited for it to be ready, and ready for you guys to see it and be able to purchase it. I know a lot of people have seen it from other people already, because I did give some of them to my favorite planner people at the SGS New York City Planner Conference. So I am super pumped to hear what you guys think of this little collection that I've come up with. So that's everything. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.